folks, welcome back to Steve's TV. Nice to see you guys again. It's been a while. All right, today we're going to take this 2011 Ford Focus and we are going to change the oil in it and the oil pressure sensor. Nothing big, but in case you want to know how to do it, you watch this video. So anyway, we're moving the vehicle up in the air. That's nice. Nice lift, Nice to have one of these. This is my friend Jim. Owns this wonderful garage with this wonderful lift. And he lets me come here and use it. I don't know why, but he does. Alright, so what we have to do first, we have to remove this splash shield that keeps the water out, believe it or not. So it looks like we've got a couple of different screwdrivers we need to use here. We have, of course, the flathead, and then, of course, we got Mr. Phillips' version. There's two out, it goes down. Then we're going to come to the back side here. And we're going to pull some more of this flathead stuff. Alright, there's one on the floor for you guys. Boy, that looks good. Show up. Alright. Wow, they're really making it interesting. And sometimes you gotta use vice grips, it's crazy. You're right. Here's what we need. There's the filter. But this is what I need. Right there, right near the oil filter. That little pressure sensor switch. That's the one that we've got to change. So it's the one that controls the light on your dashboard. So that light just has yet to go off on me. I replaced this once, but I think the piece was not good because it stayed off and then came right back on. So we're gonna change out this piece again, and hopefully that'll do it. No, kidding. Okay, so here we are. We're about to take off this 15 mil nut, I think. It's a funny nut you got here. All right, first let me just move this so I can work. I don't know, something's not right. There it is, I got it, okay. All right, it's official. Plug is loose. Probably not a good idea to keep non-rubber gloves on while you do this. Oh yeah, it's a good idea. Just let you Words of wisdom from Steve. Yeah, you don't get many of those. All right, here we are. Ready, everybody? Oh, look at that. Well, you can still see through it, not too bad. Yeah, I won't tell you how long it's been needing it. Oh, don't say that on video. They're going to make fun of us now. Just a week, so it's not that bad. Alright, so we're just going to let that drain. Then we're going to hit the filter, which will show that. And then we're going to take care of that oil pressure sensor. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. So far, so good. So you want to get a little bit of this old junk, right? And just run it along this rubber edge here, right? And this way it'll see and not stick. Right? That looks so pretty, don't it though? Okay, so now that we've done that, we're gonna put your plug in. Yep. We got a plug going back. And this side here keeps the oil from coming out. Alright. Roll away the stone. Hey, who remembers that song? Alright. Going this way, Jim?
I'm going up under the filter.
Thank you, sir. Oh, yeah. Close.
You're going to do that?
You're gonna do this?
Yeah,
no, but I was just going to tighten this here. That's good. Now, under the filter. So that's the old filter we got right there. See if muscles can get it. Oh, no, made a mess.
And he told us not to get the floor dirty, right? First thing he does.
Get down there. Loosen it off, take it all the way off and turn it upside down and leave it in
Yeah.
there. Up and down, upside down, there you go. That's it.
So that's where the oil filter will go back on.
Right. It always pays to just wipe it down a little. Make sure you're not adding any junk to it. Alright, so pretty. Now we'll take this one. Be careful not to cross thread it. Get it on there. Notice we used Motorcraft. We went all the right way. Board Motorcraft. And you don't really want to over tighten that. That should do the job right there. Alright, so ow, if I do that one more time. Alright, so that's that. Now we're gonna change out this oil pressure plug sensor.
It's that plug right there. So this little plug we have to change out next. And that's what controls the dashboard light and pressure sensor thing. Yeah.
4mm wrench. Right there, see that? For the new part.
24
You
millimeter.
gotta check that out, right? Okay. Now we come over here and kind of put this new part there. And then
We have to be careful with the wire connector too.
you got it. I will do that. And then you're gonna try to get this
Wait,
little.
what do you say?
This one here is not the same size. Can you believe that? It's 24 to put the new one, which makes no sense. But hey. All right, so off is. All right, here we go. This is cooperating.
Watch out because the oil might come off.
Yeah, he said there might get a little more oil. I wonder if I should take that plug off first. Let me get some light here. And all right.
Now I'm going to be careful about. I hope that's not the issue.
You can always replace a plug, you know. But that's not. You must have a. Must have had a
Bad one.
bad one. This friend Jimmy, he makes sense. My other friend Jimmy, he was just like, so what? We got 4 extra bolts. That's why I loved him. Not that I don't love you, Jimmy. He's all set. Hey, I lost my buddy Jimmy 5 years ago. Not that I want to cry to you guys. What? Yeah. All right, we might get a little oil here, so.
I think it's right above us near the vice grip.
All right, okay. You little dog, you thought you could do it. We screw this little girl in. Finger tight to get it started. All right, and then we're gonna take our. I think this one was what the big one. This is 22. This is the 23 to put it back on for some reason. They had a reason for that. I don't know what it is, but.
Maybe they upgraded it. Bigger nut does something maybe.
I'll tell you, it's nice working with these fine craftsman tools right here. Oh yeah. Oh, I think that'll do it.
We've done it a couple of times.
I've already got 5 times.
Alright, so that's now reconnected. So hopefully that part's done.
Yeah.
Oh, you just had to take all the glory and finish it. Okay, that's good. I understand.
Hey, somebody's gonna do it.
All right, so now we have to put on the shroud that we took off because for all intents and purposes, the oil is drained, the new filter is on, and the oil pressure sensor switch is installed.
All right, up we go.
There you go, all right.
Never called vice grips. The wonder tool. There we go. Now we just have to insert some oil.
That's the next step is the oil part. So here we go.
Okay, Valvoline, you don't have to sponsor us or anything, okay? But we'll buy Valvoline, high mileage, fully synthetic, okay? 5W20 for this car. Supposedly this is like Wonder Juice, you know, it's gonna make the car younger. All right, so I add 4 quarts very easily, and you go pour it in slow because it'll just gush out of the hole on you. It almost feels like there's about a quart left here. And supposedly you can tell when you look in the light. All right, yeah, look at that. I can tell. Now let me just see.
This is 2.
All right, got a little more, and then we'll have 4 quarts in here.
Then we'll have to start it and let the filter absorb some and see if we have to add some.
That's right. That's right. Exactly.
And it should say full. The verdict is?
Yeah, I'd say that's full. We put 4.5 in it. That's what it
Well,
says.
I get 4.5 in it for sure, that's
All right.
All right.
Okay. So we finished the oil change and the sensor change out. You let us know below in the comments if you think we did something wrong or right, or if you can add to it. It's not a big deal what we did, but you know, in case you don't know how to do it, now maybe you do. Thanks again to Jim for the use of his garage, and we'll see you guys next time.